Hi everyone, Summer here, and I am ready to do the Passion for Polymer magazine for the month of July. And I am late getting this out because I had a holiday, like I took a vacation and stuff like that. So here I am now. And I will leave a link where you can find information about Passion for Polymer magazine and the groups that go with it down in the description, so be sure to check that out, okay? So here's the cover. Isn't it amazing? July 2021 has some really cool designs in it. Look at that on the back. Oh, and now they do the it is the like middle color. You get like a little color card that you get to figure out how to make all these really cool colors. And I love the sayings, let your soul shine as bright as the sun, because you know, like that kind of thing, right? So this is also in the magazine. I love these little things. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them, but I like them. And I think I'm just gonna put them in like an index holder and just keep a hold of them. So let's take a quick gander here. I've already looked through this once. In here we have the Polymer Clay Chef, does plastic canvas macrame gain. I'm not very good at saying that. We have some watercolor stuff going on in here, pot stuff, like the perfect pot kind of thing. Exploration, a lot of macrame stuff. That's probably the whole theme of this one, is the that kind of technique. I'm here. I'm not very good at that technique, so this is going to be great because I'll be able to see how people do it, huh? Wow. And then, of course, the gallery, right? And let's see. It talks here about, Cindy McGee talks about the macrame gain and it being manipulation of clay. It's originally from Japanese metalworking procedure, which produces a mixed metal laminate with distinct layered patterns, as well as that laminate itself. And it translates, she says here, it translates closely to wood grain metal or wood eye metal. That's kind of cool, right? She talks in here about the different things that you're going to find in the magazine, right? And here we are with the Polymer Clay Chef. Look at that beautiful, beautiful work. And of course, we're going to get the tutorial, because that's the best part of these magazines, right? I mean, we love the articles, but we love the tutorials. Look at this. It's so cool. You get to use a stamp this time. There's a stamp right up here. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Yeah. Okay. What do we got else got we going on here? The next one is watercolor macrame gain. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's so pretty. I want to try this one. I think this one's from Cindy. Yeah, from Cindy McGee. And again, you get the tutorial, and it's kind of, you know, an extensive one. Cindy's are always extensive, which is amazing because I love that. We have the feather one, the feather macrame gain. That's cool too. Do we get to see how to do that? We do! Look! Oh, yeah! Look at that! It's like a 2-page spread for that one. Oh. Could you imagine the colors you can come up for the feather one? Yeah, I like it. You get to do a sunflower one. Oh, I'm gonna love that one. My daughter adores sunflowers. So that could be really fun to try as like a gift for her. I mean, Christmas is coming soon. I need to get some practice in with some macrame gain stuff. Yeah. Here's the pot. Check it out. Check it out. There is a pot. This is the pot. Oh, isn't that cool? I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. There's an article in here, and it talks about, who's this one about? This one is about, Lindy Leach, Innovative Exploration. So this is the article from her, talking about her work, which is super cool, right? We like stuff like that. And you even get contact information for Cindy, or for Linda. Sorry, Linda. Sometimes that happens. And we got some more. Lots of macrame gain information. And then we have the Color Corner Challenge. Yeah. And here we are for the Color Corner Challenge. So the way the Color Corner Challenge works, and this will be in the group, the Create Along group that they have on Facebook, but which down in the description you'll find that link. But the way the Color Corner Challenge works is that each month, Jessie goes and makes a mixture of colors based off different versions of clay, like you know, primo catamine or white, or you know, different colors, and then she mixes them together to make a specific like color challenge for us to try. Yeah. So, and then you get till the 15th of the following month to put yours in. Like, you can make something with it, and then in the group you can go ahead and post it on the Color Corner Challenge, and you might get yours in the magazine. And Miss, who was this one from? This one is from Denise Osborne, and this was from the May Color Corner Challenge. Look how awesome that is. She did a beautiful job for the May issues Color Corner Challenge. Yeah. And then this Color Corner Challenge, this is the template or the colors that you're going to be learning how to make in this month's magazine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that'll be posted in the group for sure, for sure. Oh, and oh my gosh, there is so many cool things. Look at this one, Hidden Magic. Isn't that gorgeous? Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. So yes, you get a tutorial on that as well. Yeah. And then, of course, we have one of my favorite parts of the magazine, which is the gallery, which shows all the stuff that people have done with this kind of technique. Isn't that amazing? Oh my goodness. I mean, some of these things are just astonishing. Look at that. Oh, you people are amazing. You're wonderful. So that's it. That's all I got. Be sure to look in the description for where you can get this. Thanks so much for watching.